Hello calculus students and anybody else who's just seeking the truth. Welcome to the continuing series of videos on the product rule and the quotient rule. I proved the quotient rule in the last video, and now I'm going to show you an example of how to find its derivative. So let's look for h prime. Now here the key is just how do we split up which part of this as the f and which part is g. In this example, I think it's pretty straightforward. We can call that 3x squared here f, and we can call sine x g. Okay? So we're really separating this function into two other parts because it's really the product of two smaller functions. So applying this rule here, we have f of x, which is 3x squared, times the derivative of g of x, and the derivative of sine is cosine, plus g of x, which is sine, times the derivative of f of x, which is 6x. Okay. So this is 3x squared times cosine x plus sine x, and this is a correct answer as it is. In a lot of textbooks and especially on some exams, you'll be asked to continue factoring as much as possible. So we can factor out a 3x in this case, and that will leave us with x cosine x plus 2. So that is the derivative of 3x squared times the cosine of x. Okay. Now you could also do it, there's maybe some other ways you could do it, but this is the simplest way to try and separate here. You have a quadratic, and then you have a sine function, and to split it in that way. Well, thank you for watching this very short video. I'm going to continue the series of videos with the quotient rule. Be sure to watch that one as well.